And the winner of the category Excellence in Contract Management is Indus Towers Limited. I would request Mr. Mandeep Sachdeva and team to please come forward and collect the award. Congratulations, Indus Towers Limited.
Indus Towers is the world's largest telecom tower company. It's formed by Idea, Vodafone and Airtel. This company was formed in 2008 and now it's the world's largest, highly profitable, and around 600 million people are passing through us every year multiple times in a day.
Okay, so thank you so much for telling us something about your organization. Now I would love to know about your achievement tonight and your association with CPO Awards 2015.
So actually, our Indus Towers, we are getting a lot of awards globally, Indian, national level and global level. And then we saw some CPO awards. Earlier we were in something hanky-panky things whether we should participate or not. And then I met the organizers and really gained the confidence. Yes, they are the right person. And we participated in this one. What we did last 2 years, we achieved highest customer satisfaction, higher people satisfaction, and highest partner satisfaction. So what we believe is 3P: people, partner, and your customer. So we believed in all these three, and we achieved the highest rating. I think in customer we are the best in B2B. In partners we are second in B2B in India, and people we are the number one announced by Gallup. So we received global award also. And today what we saw in CPO forum, that the standard set by CPO is fantastic. So all company like IBM, Mahindra, Indus Towers, and many other L&T, HDFC. So there's nothing like you have called some small companies and doing some programs. It's fantastic. So we are going back and telling the truth to everybody that CPO forum is the right forum. And second thing, they are very open, transparent. And when I met first time, they told very clearly, Les Deepak, you are a very big company, but we can't promise you because our judge, our juries are very clear. They will give award and reward just based on your merit. And I really appreciate them for their transparency and their standard. Fantastic.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for sharing your views with us, and congratulations once again. Hope you had a lovely